Hi, I'm Chef Adrienne Cheatham, and today we're here at the Institute of Culinary Education. We're going to be making a super fast brunch dish, so if you have guests coming over, you won't be tied to the kitchen for more than 20 minutes. You can make a lot of the components ahead, and what are we making? It's a crab Benedict, so let's get started. The first thing we want to do is get the hollandaise done, because once that's made, it can just stay warm on the back burner and we can keep it on very low heat while we do everything else. Here we have about 4 yolks with the juice of 1 lemon. The acid from the lemon is going to kind of cook the egg yolk. A couple pinches of salt, freshly cracked pepper, and a tiny pinch of paprika. Then we're going to start pouring in our butter. You want to make sure the butter is still hot, but not boiling. And then you're just going to slowly pour it in, adjusting your speed as necessary. And there you go. That's literally all it takes. And you just want to keep it warm until you're ready to serve so that it doesn't get too cold and the butter solidifies. Next thing we're going to do is make our crab salad. So we have a little bit of butter. I mean, it is brunch, right? So we'll throw in our shallots first. And now we're gonna add in our other vegetables. And we're just gonna get these sweating. So when I get crab for a Benedict, I like to get jumbo lump. Blue crab claw meat is nice too, but I really like jumbo lump because you get these big pieces, so you really get the crab. We're not cooking it, we're just warming it with the vegetables. So we're just going to fold it in and take everything off the heat so the crab doesn't get dry. So now we're gonna pull off the heat, add our crab, and what we're gonna add to bind everything is Greek yogurt. It'll give you a little bit of tartness in the crab salad, and it'll really help balance out the richness of the hollandaise on the finished dish. From here, all we have to do is poach our eggs, toast our English muffins, and assemble. So with poaching eggs, the only thing you want to make sure is that you have about 1 to 2 inches of water. You just want it to kind of be steaming. My trick is just hold your eggs in distilled white vinegar for about 10 minutes. You can pour them in or you can spoon them in like I'm doing, whatever you're comfortable with. And we're just gonna let these cook while we get everything put together. So we're just gonna start putting our crab salad on top. You can use as much or as little as you like. I like a lot. So when I'm checking the eggs, I'm just looking to make sure that the yolk is still soft. Poaching eggs can take about a minute. Anything over that, you wind up risking setting the yolk too much. Just make a little well in the crab to kind of nestle the egg into. And then we're just gonna take our hollandaise that looks like you spent hours slaving over whisking in a stove, but you really only spent 5 minutes in the blender. Little pinch of paprika on top. And I do like to serve it with a little side salad. So we have some nice watercress here. Arugula is great too. You get a nice peppery flavor from it. And you're ready to go. See how fast that was? I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as I do, and I hope you recreate it at home using whatever variations you want to use with things you have in your fridge. Thank you so much to ICE for this beautiful kitchen space today. Follow me at Chef Adrienne Cheatham on Instagram, and happy brunching.